Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's not a difficult stitch to make. You have to repeat only these 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. Always repeat them. As you will go along, you will see that it's not difficult to make. Hope that you find this video useful and that you try it. We start by making the chains, and chains we have to make multiples of 16. So we start with chains, making multiples of 16. Then we make another 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. This will serve as a treble, the first 3. We go in the 4th chain and we make a treble in every chain that we have. So the first row we make a treble in every chain that we have. We continue like that. We make a treble. We continue making a treble in all the chains. So it's ready, as you can see. Now we make a chain and we make a single crochet in the next 2 trebles. 1 and 2. We make another chain. Now we skip 6 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We go in the 7th one. We turn the thread 5 times on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go on the 7th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we make the first treble. We always pull out 2 stitches at a time. That is the first one. We make a chain and we make 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to make 6 like that one. We always slip 2 stitches at a time and we separate with a chain. We have to make 6, 2, 3, 4 and 5, always in the same place. A chain, here we have 4. I have to make another 2. A chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, always slipping 2 at a time. And we make the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We make another chain. Now we skip 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 7th one we make a single crochet, a chain. We skip 1 treble and we make a single crochet in the next one. Another chain and we skip another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the 7th one we make another 3, 4 and 5. We make another one, another 6 like the ones we made before. 1, a chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to make another 6. And you continue the row like that. Then I show you how to finish it. Now I make another chain and I turn the thread 5 times on the hook and we make a treble. In all we have to make 6 like these. Then we skip. When we finish these 6, we skip another 6 treble. In the 7th one we make a single crochet, a chain and we skip a treble. And another single crochet in the next treble. Again another chain, then we skip another 6 and then I show you how to finish the row, but you have to continue the row like that. Now this is the row how it comes. As you can see we have arrived at the edge here. We go at the last 2 here and we make 2 single crochet. We finish with 2 single crochet in the last 2. Now we're going to start the next row by making 3 chains. This will serve as a treble. Now we're going to make a treble in every chain that we have made, and in every treble we made before. The whole row like that, a treble in every chain we made, and a treble in every other treble that we made before. We continue all the row like that. It's like the first one here that we make. We're going to make a treble on each one of them. Even when we arrive here, we make a treble here, treble, treble in each chain. We have to make a treble in each chain and in each treble that we made before. I will show you when we arrive there too. Now here we make one. We make one in the chain. Another one here, and you continue all the row like that, treble in each one of them. The row is ready, as you see. We continue till the end with the trebles. Now we start the next row with 6 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and we have to make 2, 3, 4 and 5, 3 trebles in the same place where we made the chains. We turn the thread 5 times on the hook, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to make 3. In all, with the chains we have to have 4. Sorry, between them we have to make a chain, I forgot. We make a chain between each one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between each one you have to make a chain. Two, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 3. Another chain. Now we're going to skip again 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We make a single crochet in the next one, a chain. We skip a treble and another single crochet in the other one. Another chain. We're going to skip again 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the 7th one, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We're going to make the same. We make 5. You turn the thread 5 on the needle, a chain. We're going to do the same like before, 4 and 5. And we have to make 6 again. 2, a chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 3, and you continue like we did the other row. Here we make 6, separated with a chain. Then you skip another 6 trebles. You make a single crochet, chain, a single crochet and another chain. 2, 3, 4 and 5. And there we have 5, another chain, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Another chain. We skip another 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the 7th one we make a single crochet, a chain, we skip one and another single crochet in the other one. And you continue again, another chain, and you make another 6 like this. You continue the whole row like that. The row is ready. We are here at the edge, and you finish it with a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we have to make 5 and the last one we have to make 4, sorry, we turn the thread 5 times, and in all we finish with 4. We make a chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We finish by making 4 in the last one. Another chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Another chain, the last one. And we made 5 there. I finish it like that. Now we have to do another row like this one. We start with 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we're going to make a treble in each chain, and each treble that we made before. We're going to repeat the same, a treble in each one of them. We repeat this row here, a treble, and the row is ready. As you can see, now we're going to repeat the first one we made here. We make a chain, we're going to repeat the pattern, a treble, a single crochet in the next one, another chain. Now we skip 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can go also in the one in the middle here if you want to make it exactly. You turn the thread 5 times, and we're going to make 6 in the 7th treble, and we're going to repeat a chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 5, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to make 6 exactly. You have to repeat again from this row. You make this row, then you repeat this row, always repeat these rows that I told you. I'm starting again from this row. You continue the pattern like that. This is the final result, how the stitch comes. As I told you, all you have to do is always repeat these 4 rows. When you finish this row, you start again from this row. Always repeat these 4 rows. And as you have seen, it's not that difficult to make it. Hope that you found this video useful and that you try it. Bye for now.